Today we're up here in the hills northeast of Melbourne, and we've brought one of the very best things you could bring to the bush, the latest Track Trailer Topaz pop top. Well, it looks pretty much like the Series 1 and other Series 2 models that have been out on the road for more than 6 years now, and it is in many respects. But I can tell you, Track Trailer have been listening, and they've made a number of changes which have made this an even better thing in the bush. One thing that hasn't changed about the Topaz is its fantastic front storage area. First, you have on this side a fridge that comes out on a slide, tons of other storage space. On the other side, room for 4 jerry cans or a generator. One thing that is new though is this nifty latching system for the front storage locker, which gives you very good access to this vast storage area, and areas like this locker are fully waterproof. Not only do you have regular latches, but you have compression latches here that pull the whole door back on tight rubber seals, so you can actually go through water without getting any in. Also new on the latest Topaz is this barbecue, which is really a full fold-out unit. First of all, you have preparation trays, barbecue itself. Another new feature on the Topaz, these sliding windows. Previous windows wound out from the base. One really nice feature about the Topaz is its door here, which of course with a compression lock sealed against water, but have a look at this. You've got a 2-stage door. The outer here you've got stainless steel security mesh, midgie-proof fly wire. The Topaz has an external shower which is private when you assemble the shower tent around it. You've got this hot water, cold water shower, trigger hose. Have a look in this locker. In this side room, this is a big space case, tons of room for lots of stuff you might want to carry. Here, this is a tunnel boot, goes right through to the other side, and as well as 260-watt solar panels on the roof, here's another slide-out panel which you can have as a backup. Now, let's look at some of the features. A big bed, queen-size bed across the front. You actually can make this a king-size bed north-south if you want to utilise the table. And the table, talking about that, on a swivel, goes in all directions, stores flat on the bed, and here's your lounge. Plenty of storage underneath. These new sliding windows are a great feature of the new Topaz. Easy to operate, magnetic fly catch. Just slide them shut. Done. Topaz has got a lot of storage for just about everything. Big drawers, pots and pans, all your utensils, cutlery, great cooktop, and a good size 85-litre fridge, 5 litres larger than the fridge in the previous Topaz. Most of the electrics are concentrated in this area next to the kitchen. Switches for everything from the water heating and the water pumps through to your levels for your battery, water tanks, temperature for your hot water system, and 12-volt power sockets just about everywhere. 7 of them around the van, plus 2 40-volt. Even a place to hang your hat. Of course, the really big thing about the Topaz is its ability to take you to the hard places, and that comes from its military equipment background. I've got an expert here to talk about the chassis, its suspension, and how that all comes together. Lloyd Waldron, the marketing manager of Track Trailer Australia. Lloyd, what makes the chassis so special?
No worries, Michael. This is a revolutionary chassis. It's sheet metal, so what that does is it means the chassis rail at the back end of the trailer is actually formed into the A-frame. So it runs the length of the chassis, goes out around our underneath spare wheel, and then joins into the A-frame here. Any stress that's applied to the chassis at any point is dispersed across the whole unit. Because of our MC2 suspension, when you go into bump, the individual wheels cause it to track true behind the tow vehicle, which means you don't get any feedback inside the car. So probably the most common comment from our customers is that they don't even notice they're towing the unit at all.
It's a vehicle that'll take 2 people in great comfort, seriously off-road, keep them dry, keep them warm, and keep them comfortable. So in summary, the Topaz is a really interesting hybrid pop-top caravan. Its combination of build quality, its fantastic utilisation of storage space, its clever design, and the many improvements in the latest one that make it right up there at the top of your shopping list for a caravan of this sort. But you can read about it in Caravan World. Pick up a copy now.